Before beginning, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can focus without any interruptions. Take a moment to center yourself. Please place your hands gently on your belly. Close your eyes and focus on the life growing within you. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Now, gently listen to the Garbh Samvad and convey the message by either listening attentively or speaking along. My dear child, the 4th month of our journey is unfolding. My joy increases as each month passes. I can actually visualize your exquisitely beautiful small ears, eyes, and nose. Your stomach and lungs are now developing. I consistently practice meditation and yoga and maintain a nutritious diet for your optimal physical development. You are a clever and intelligent child. Every second, I feel that my womb carries a divine soul. My dear one, please try to absorb as much as you can from your mama. You know, you instigate so many cravings, and your dad helps satisfy all these desires. Let us pray to the Almighty that we both stay healthy and calm and remain engaged in good activities.
गर्भ संस्कार गुरु, सालों से चल रही हमारी परंपरा और वैदिक विज्ञान का आधुनिक रूपांतरण।